What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Gamed Up Online. This your girl Nola DeVille, president of the Gamed Up Girls, president of GU Nation. You know how we do it. Down here in Chi-Town, West Side, that's where we formed. But we South Side with it, we nationwide. We don't stay in one place. Right now we at the Born Losers, fucking with the bad boys, bad toys on a Monday night. Free beer, chicken all night. Get it in. Back to the point. Gamed Up Girls, Gamed Up Nation, we in the building. If you're looking to join, you can always check our website at gamedupnationsc.com. Once again, gamedupnationsc.com. You can check us out, check some of my members out, check all the information, our mission statement, what we about and what we do. Hit us up on the enrollment form and you will be contacted ASAP. You dig? Once again, we're going to hit you up a little later, let you know how we flowing and moving, because we stay moving. We never stay in one place. Remember that. Orange and black, baby, you know how we do it. That henna white, that's how we get down. GU Nation, Miss Nola DeVille, El Presidente signing off. That's how we do it right there. Check that out.